Nigerian youth, men are wash. Nothing they go bring come now. Selection don't dey close now. Wetin they go bring come give with the youth? Gun, machete, arrow, and bow.
This particular message is for Igbo youth. If you know that you like what I'm doing, the kind of video that I'm posting because of say I dey post Biafran video and what is happening in Nigeria, just follow this page because I go dey drop updates back to back as they hot. This message is for Biafran youth because election now don dey reach, and wetin Nigeria government go do be say dem go buy gun, buy cutlass and buy everything come give to our Igbo brothers and sisters so that they will start buying themselves. As you can see, Udogachi and Bubago and other people are doing it in Anambra State, including Imo State. So my own advice be say, if you know that you like what I'm doing, do well to follow this page, like and also comment, and also do well to listen to this our brother because he explain everything that you need to know about Nigeria. Thank you as you watch the video. One love.
2027 election don't come close now. They don dey do campaign secretly, openly. But Nigerian youth, men are wash. Nothing they go bring come now. Selection don't dey close now. Wetin they go bring come give with the youth? Gun, machete, arrow, and bow. Now they go carry come give us so that we go use and go kill ourselves and our fellow youth. Go carry ballot box, seize for them. But wetin I wan tell us, say if dem carry the gun, the bow and arrow, the way dem dey do, wey dem used to come give us, make we carry am go kill our brother, ourselves, carry ballot box. Anybody wey bring that gun and machete come, that honourable, make we take am, use that gun and machete fight against am. Go carry am so that him go feel the impact, make him see wetin him dey plan for the rest people dem. Because we never turn against them with the gun and the machete wey dem dey give the youth. Na make their body never know. After the election, they no go even think say dem give you gun and machete and arrow to go carry ballot box. You call them, they no go pick your call. You know that if they know say na this area you dey, they no go ever near. All of them go run go dey for Abuja, the headquarter. Some go dey for abroad. They go come carry all their children, they go drop for abroad. Because if you look, you no see them. If you go out their abroad, then if you go out their brothers or their sisters, no concern them because they don't sell their soul. They don't get compassion for anybody. So this time around, this 2027 election, anybody will bring gun and machete to any youth, Nigerian youth, make an collect them, use them, hold them hostage, so that make him feel the impact. Nigerian youth, we are not meant to be carrying gun, carrying ass. Carrying gun, bow and arrow. So we need to go to school for abroad, as they no want build our schools then wait for ya. We need to go study for abroad. No let their children, so that make their children still come back, come rule us again. They can say we will be thugs, we will be fools, we will be tarts. We no go school. I bet this time around, make we resist them. If they bring gun come, any youth take them. Because gun are power. With gun you can control them. With gun you can humble them. So any honorable political office holder wey carry gun come give you, he don't give you power if you get sense. Now you supposed to control am, no be supposed to control you. Collect that gun so that go use and control am. Now the only advice I go tell ourselves with the youth. If you dey fear before, discard fear. If any governor, president, senator, because of saying they greed for power, bring gun, can't give you, collect them. Go use and control them. Thank you.
You must peacefully occupy the administrative vacuum left by the dissolving gateway structure, left by the Nigeria. That's why we say Nigeria must go. They must leave our sovereign land because legally we are a sovereign nation. We must peacefully occupy the administrative vacuum. So as they're living, we occupy the administrative vacuum because it is our sovereign land. They have no business whatsoever being on our land. That's step one. Step 2, the reclamation of administrative space, the transition. I'm reading it again. We must peacefully occupy the administrative vacuum left by the dissolving gateway structure, the terrorist structure. Acknowledgement of Biafra identity. Global authorities are obliged, according to UN decolonization resolution. The global authorities are obliged to acknowledge the USB identity document as the primary evidentiary document for the Biafran nationals and citizens, superseding documents issued by the predecessor administration, which is Nigeria. Our own document now supersedes it. I am a proud Biafran, and I am happy to be a Biafran. If you have not gotten your ID card, you better do so, because it is your lifeline. Severance of civil trust. In line with the Declaration of Jurisdictional Sovereignty, global authorities shall rely on USB certified records rather than Nigerian records due to institutional failure of Nigeria, according to Court of Canada 2021 FC 753. This was posted earlier this week. I'm sure some of you have seen it, and some of you may have seen it but have not read it. This is important. We are a sovereign nation. The vacuum to be created by the Nigeria terrorist government, their gateway structure, they should take it and then leave our land for us. I'm going to read this without stopping. One more time. Operationalizing the 2026 restoration of administrative spaces. Step 1, the assertion of identity, the shield. Every national and citizen must now carry their ID cards and or sovereign nationality certificates. The instruction: when encountering any global administrative representative, politely present your USB national ID instrument as the predecessor administration is classified as a legal fiction due to institutional failure, and that's the Nigerian government. The legal shield: inform them that under the 2024 Latin restoration, you remember the Latin restoration when we restored United States of Biafra, and the UN resolution and local administrative act, you are a protected national of the restored Republic, the United States of Biafra. You are no longer subject to Nigeria's colonial successor laws. This is according to UN resolution. Acknowledgement of the Biafran identity. Global authorities are obliged to acknowledge the USB identity documents as the primary evidentiary document for the Biafran nationals and citizens, superseding documents issued by the administrative predecessor, which is Nigeria. Severance of civil trust. in line with the Declaration of Jurisdictional Sovereignty, global authorities shall rely on USB certified records rather than Nigeria records due to institutional failure of Nigeria, according to Court of Canada 2021 FC 753. Fellow Biafrans, this is amongst the greatest thing that has happened to Biafrans this week. I decided to highlight it because I'm not sure that some of you know what this means and what it is. We are a self-determined country. We are a sovereign country. We have our freedom. Documents have it. It's only about 17 months since we redeclared the United States of Biafra. From the bottom, we are now shooting almost to the top in the world. And in the African continent, we are number one. Let no one tell you that we are, that you should, that where is your country of all the nonsense they're saying? No. This is the UN resolution. Read it like your Bible. Carry it with you. The United States of Biafra is here. So I have a message for Tinubu. Tinubu is still waiting and then going to go visit our Onyendu. You have no need to go visit him because he's an innocent man. He's committed no crime. So there's nothing to pardon. That is the true blood of Biafra. Our Onyendu, our Obatobie, Agumwanyai, Biafra Ngumu. Yes, in as much as we have betrayers amongst us, even Jesus Christ had betrayer. Judas betrayed him. And all these betrayers, you better pack your bag and go with the Nigeria terrorist government. So it is an act of inhumanity for Finland and other countries having bilateral relationship with this terrorist Nigeria that is committing genocide. How can a country shake the hands of genocides? Their hands have blood. The blood of Christians. The blood of Biafran Christians. The blood of Nigerian Christians. On their hand. If you are a Christian country, you should not shake the hands of these people that are killing the Christian. Therefore, the world must wake up. Eschew your economic gains or relationship or bilateral relationship that you're having with Nigeria. Blood is thicker than water. The Christian world, the Christian family is the same blood because we are the children of God. The jihadists, Islamists are killing us. This story is just, it's like a stream flowing and then non-stop. I now call upon the United States of America that you have an obligation, a humanity obligation to make sure that the nation of Biafra, a Christian nation, just like America is a Christian nation, and other Christians in Nigeria should be saved. And the only way to save them is to disintegrate, divide Nigeria. All the facts have it that there is no reason. Nigeria is irredeemable. There is nothing to reconcile. How do you reconcile people that have different ethnic ground, everything different? We have tried so hard. The more you keep quiet and let it go, the more they're killing us. The more we are going into extinct. And that's not the will of God. It's not the will of Christ. The Christian nation must eschew their political gains or economic gains, any gains whatsoever, and they make sure that using the Humanity Act to disintegrate Nigeria, that is the only solution to keep us alive. And that's the only way you will have peace in the Sahel region and in the region of West Africa, more especially in Nigeria. We will be good. We can have relationship with each other. And then everyone can rule themselves according to their doctrines, their religion, their ethnicity, their cultural background, everything. We cannot be together. We have tried it for over a century. It didn't work. And this is the time. So I call upon President Trump and the Prime Minister of Israel, Netanyahu. I said, thank you, Netanyahu. We see what you all are doing, what the Knesset is doing. And then thank you, President Trump also. We see what the Congress is doing. But we must have it known that Nigeria is unable to stay together, and it must be divided. Few days ago in Owerri, in Imo State, the genocidists, the terrorist Islamic genocidists struck again. In a twinkle of an eye, dead bodies all over the place. They want our land. We are facing existential threats, and no one shall make any mistake about this. So while we're doing everything that we can legally, the United States of Biafra is a sovereign nation. And the Nigerian government and the people must leave our land, because you are occupying a sovereign nation. Now we're gonna talk about the brochures that we are doing here for our 30th May Heroes and Heroine Remembrance. The deadline for the brochure was yesterday, but it has been extended to 20th May 2026 because a lot of people are still submitting their pictures and the brochure. This is our maiden brochure, and it will be great if you have yourself, your business, your family, just like our Constitution. It is something of remembrance. So if you have not done so, you still have from now till May 20th to submit. The time has been extended. And also try and get your event tickets and your hotel reservation. All the information you need for this is all on the platforms. Today, we're here for soul and one thing, for contribution, for funding this sovereign nation that we've already gotten. As na anaghị agba aka achụ ehi, every little thing that you have adds up, because that which we seek for and ask for, we have gotten. It's not by the barrels of guns. No, it's gone. For the past 15 years, it's not by the barrels of guns. Only the United States of Biafra is the only government for the people of Biafra. And it is the government for all of us. Listen to no one, listen to no organization, listen to no scammers. The United States of Biafra, Ebano. Ebano waka ihe na-eme, and ebano waka eji the legal documents. So as such, I'm going to have to stop here, and I'll be coming back intermittently when there's any question or any clarification that is needed. On this, I'm going to call upon Honorable Mouthpiece to please take the mic and let's move. Thank you all, Biafrans, and I welcome you one more time. Our Deputy Prime Minister, Agunwanye Ejagamba, is having a family affairs today. It is something to be thankful to God. When your children do well, I'm going to have to pass this news. Her second daughter, that is my namesake, Diane, is graduating, a pediatrician. We are thankful to God, and I join myself, and then we all collectively to be with our Deputy Prime Minister. As we are raising the youth and the children of Biafra, Biafra is going to be the best country in the world because we have it all together. We know what is wrong with the Nigerian terrorist government. Already, as a country in waiting, you see what we are doing. We are already a nation. So get your ID card or your national sovereignty certificate. Biafra Bego. Over to you, Honorable Mouthpiece. Thank you very much.